Hey, Steve and Alyssa here from Meatless Makeovers, and today we're going to be making a homemade vegan smoked mozzarella cheese.
This plant-based cheese is amazing, and you only need 6 ingredients to make it. The main ingredient is cashews, and it can even be made a few days in advance. There's no need to spend an arm and a leg on store-bought vegan cheese when you can make it yourself.
And the holidays are coming up, and this is going to be perfect for an appetizer. Just put this on the charcuterie board with crackers, maybe some dried fruit, and your guests will love it.
So let's go ahead and get to it.
First, prepare your cashews by boiling them for 10 minutes or soaking them overnight for 8 hours.
Then add your drained cashews along with tapioca flour, nutritional yeast, salt, lemon juice, liquid smoke, and water to a blender and blend on high until very smooth and there are no chunks.
Prepare your molds by brushing them with a little oil. Just know that any container will work, but your cheese will take that shape.
Then add the liquid to a saucepan and heat over medium-high heat, stirring continuously until it's thickened.
You'll know it's done when it's smooth and stretchy. Now pour it into your prepared molds, being careful, then tap out any air bubbles that may have been trapped.
And now, it's time to taste.
Now, this cheese had time to sit overnight in the refrigerator, so that allowed it to firm up a little bit. We would recommend overnight, but if you're short on time, at least a couple of hours, just so you can slice it.
When you slice it, it's going to be soft, but it's going to hold its shape just like regular fresh mozzarella would.
Oh, that's a lot of cheese. All right. Go big or go home. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Silky and creamy, and that smokiness just comes right through.
Yum. So creamy. And I love how the smokiness comes at the end as well. It's kind of like the finishing taste. Delicious.
Thank you for stopping by. Comment down below if you've made it.
Yep. We hope you like it as much as we do.
Take care.